Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will start with a new method, that is equation solvable for x. So these are the next type of equation which is solvable for x. As we have done two things, equation solvable for p and equation solvable for y. The same thing we are doing now, equation solvable for x. Now again same thing, if your given differential equation is fxy, p is equals to 0, and if you think that equation can be represented as x equals to g of yp, means you can write down this equation in terms of y and p, then it means that equation is solvable for x. The same process you have to do, you have to find derivative with respect to y. So if you will find derivative with respect to y, here is the function y, here is a p, here is a dp by dy. As we know that it can be written as dx by dy, it is 1 by p. So it may be 1 by p h y p dp by dy. Now suppose that after solving whole equation, your solution can be written as f y p c. Now if you eliminate your p between these two equations, then that will give you general solution is of your equation. If you are not able to eliminate between 1 and 4, if no elimination is possible, then x and y separately give you the solution. Suppose in this case your x is in terms of p and c, and your y can also be taken as in terms of p and c. So this is how can you solve the equation. Now for that we will do one question. Suppose that the question is like x y plus a log p. Now you can see easily, in this case x can be written as a function which is y and p. So it can be solvable for x. So if it is solvable for x, what you have to do? You have to find derivative. So firstly we will find derivative with respect to y. So if I want to go for a derivative dv by dy y plus log p, it can be dy by dy dv by dy log p or dx by dy. So in this case, how can you sort it out? This is dx by dy. It can be taken as 1. What is the derivative of this? Its derivative is 1 by p, because derivative of log p is 1 by p. Then derivative with respect to p, that is dp by dy. So here is a also. So I can write it down, this is 1 by p, 1 plus a by p dp by dy. I can write it down 1 by p minus 1 a by p dp by dy. Further, if I want to solve it, how can we move further? I can write it down 1 minus p divided by p a by p dp by dy. Now you can check that this p goes another hand side, 1 minus p, so p divided by pa dp by dy. So it is 1 minus p a dp by dy. If I want to move further, it means that I can easily solve this by using variable separable method. So if I will see here variable separable method, the terms which containing p comes on one hand side, the terms of y comes on one hand side. In this case, there is only terms which contain p, so y goes on the other hand side. How can I rearrange? 1 minus p divided by a dp by dy, so it should be dy a 1 minus p d. After this, you have to just integrate it out. If you will integrate it, you will get here y a is the comes out. Now we have to find integration. So it should be a y a. So in this case, what we will do here, what is the integration of this? It is log 1 minus p divided by derivative of this. It is minus 1. Then there should be a plus c. Y minus a log 1 minus p plus c. So this is your solution. We can't say it is a solution, as in this case we see that from this equation, which is our solution, and from previous equation, we are not able to find the value of p, and we are not able to eliminate the value of p. So it means that what our solution can be? Solution can be of this type. So in this case, y, we will put here the value of y in first equation as x is equals to y plus a log p. So it could be x c minus a log 1 minus p plus a log p. As here we are taking mode because log is not defined. Shit.